Today, we're going into mastering YouTube with how to YouTube your way to the top. This video is packed with strategies that will help you not just grow your channel, but build a thriving community around it. We'll break down everything from understanding your audience to nailing your niche and making content that truly resonates. So grab a notepad because we're about to unlock some YouTube secrets that will take your channel to the next level. Analyze your current viewers, understanding who's watching your videos. Before you can start creating content that your audience loves, you have to know who they are. Think of it as being a chef. You wouldn't cook a 5-course French meal for someone who prefers fast food, right? The same goes for your videos. That's why your first stop is YouTube Analytics. Deep dive into your analytics demographics analysis, age and gender. Head to the audience tab and look at the age groups and gender distribution of your viewers. Let's say you find out that most of your viewers are males aged 18 to 24. This demographic might be interested in content that's a bit more dynamic, energetic, or even humorous. They probably won't engage with something that's overly formal or slow-paced. Geographic location. Where are your viewers tuning in from? This is a goldmine of information. For example, if you discover a lot of your audience is from India, consider mentioning Indian cultural references, or even featuring Indian creators. If a significant chunk of your audience speaks Spanish, you might want to add Spanish subtitles, or even consider making a separate channel for Spanish content. Top geographies. Knowing where your audience is concentrated can also help you optimize your posting times. For instance, if most of your viewers are from the US, posting at a time that aligns with the US time zone can increase your chances of immediate engagement. Behavioral insights, watch time, and audience retention. This metric tells you not just how long people are watching, but what they're watching. Identify your best performing videos and analyze them. Are people sticking around for the first 2 minutes and then dropping off? That might mean your intros are too long or your content isn't hooking them right away. Try to get straight to the point, or add a teaser at the beginning to keep them intrigued. Playback locations. Find out where your videos are being watched. Are people viewing them on the YouTube watch page, or are they being embedded on other websites? If a lot of your views are coming from embedded players, you might want to partner with those sites for more exposure or even tailor some content specifically for that audience. Traffic sources, search terms. This is a powerful tool. Check out what keywords people are using to find your videos. If you see that a lot of people are searching for beginner photography tips, but you've mostly been focusing on advanced techniques, that's a clear signal to make more beginner-friendly content. External sources. See which social media platforms are driving traffic to your channel. If you notice a lot of traffic coming from Reddit, maybe it's time to become more active in relevant subreddits. If Instagram is your main driver, consider sharing more short clips and stories there to pull people over to your channel. Action steps. First, create detailed viewer profiles. Take all this data and create profiles of your typical viewers. You might have one profile for John, 22, college student, loves gaming and tech, and another for Sophia, 35, working mom, interested in productivity hacks and DIY projects. These profiles will help you visualize who you're talking to. Second, adjust content strategy. Look at which videos are keeping viewers hooked and create more like them. But don't just copy the same format. Try to add something new and valuable each time. Define your niche. Then, specializing your content for maximum impact. Now that you know who your audience is, it's time to focus on what you're going to deliver to them. Think of your channel as a restaurant. You can't serve every type of cuisine under the sun. You need a niche, a specialty that people will come back for time and time again. Market research. Identify gaps, look around in your niche and see what's missing. Maybe you're in the fitness space and you notice there's not much content tailored for beginners who are also parents. Or maybe you're in tech and you see a lot of reviews but not many how-to guides for troubleshooting common tech issues. Those gaps are opportunities waiting for you to fill them. Analyze trends, use tools like Google Trends or even the YouTube search bar to see what's trending. Type in a keyword related to your niche and see what suggestions pop up. For example, if you're in digital marketing and notice Instagram Reels strategy is trending, that's a sign to create content around that topic. Competitive analysis, SWOT analysis. Take a look at your competitors and analyze their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths. Maybe they have a massive following and high quality production. Weaknesses. Perhaps they're not very consistent with their uploads or they don't engage much with their audience. Opportunities. Look for areas they're not covering. If you see a gap, jump on it. Threats. Be aware of the challenges like new entrants in the niche or changes in the YouTube algorithm. Unique selling proposition, USP. This is what makes your channel stand out. It's what your audience can't find anywhere else. Maybe it's your unique personality, your quirky sense of humor, or your ability to break down complex topics into easy, bite-sized pieces. Define it, refine it, and make sure it's the thread that runs through all your content. Action steps. First, narrow down your focus. Choose a few subtopics within your niche and aim to become the go-to source for those. If you're in tech, maybe focus on tech reviews for beginners and how-to guides for troubleshooting common issues. Second, develop a content plan. Map out your video ideas around your niche and USP. Plan for at least the next 3 months. This way, you can build anticipation and a consistent theme in your uploads. Create audience personas. Then, building detailed profiles of your ideal viewers. Creating audience personas helps you really get inside the heads of your viewers. It's like having a crystal ball that tells you what kind of content they crave. Demographic details. Think about age, gender, and location, but also education level and occupation. If your audience is mostly college students, they might appreciate shorter, more to-the-point videos. If they're professionals, maybe they want in-depth analysis and data-driven content. Psychographic details. This goes deeper. What are their interests and hobbies? What values do they hold? If they're into eco-friendly living, they'll appreciate it if you use sustainable products in your videos or talk about green tech. Behavioral attributes. How do they behave online? Are they active on forums like Reddit or Quora? Do they prefer watching videos late at night? Understanding these behaviors helps you tailor your content and posting schedule. Example persona. Let's build on our example from earlier. Meet Emma, our persona. Name, Emma. Age, 28. Occupation, freelance graphic designer. Location, Berlin, Germany. Interests, sustainable living, digital art, indie music. Challenges, balancing work-life, finding affordable eco-friendly products. Goals, improve design skills, grow her freelance business, connect with like-minded individuals. Emma's a creative who values sustainability and is constantly looking for ways to balance her life while growing her business. She's the kind of person who would appreciate videos on eco-friendly design tools for digital artists or how to manage freelance projects without burning out. Action steps. First, tailor content to personas. Create videos that speak directly to Emma's needs and aspirations. Maybe a series on freelancing tips for graphic designers, or how to stay creative without burning out. Second, use appropriate language and tone. If your persona is more laid back, keep your language casual and friendly. If they're more professional, aim for a tone that's informative but not too stiff. Transition. With a clear understanding of who your audience is and what they want, it's time to focus on how to engage them directly and build a loyal community around your channel. Engage directly with your audience, fostering a community around your channel. YouTube is not just a platform, it's a community. And to grow your channel, you need to actively engage with that community. Here's how. Utilize the community tab, polls, and questions. Ask your audience what they want to see next. You can even use polls to let them choose between 2 video ideas. This not only boosts engagement, but also gives you direct insight into what they're interested in. Updates and behind the scenes. Share personal stories or sneak peeks into your content creation process. This helps humanize you and build a deeper connection with your viewers. Respond to comments. Active interaction. Make it a habit to reply to comments. Even a simple "thank you" can make your viewers feel appreciated. It shows that you're not just talking to them, but listening as well. Pinning comments. Pin insightful comments or questions to highlight valuable contributions. This not only acknowledges your audience, but also encourages others to join the conversation. Live streaming, Q&A sessions. Host live streams where you answer questions in real time. This can be a fantastic way to connect with your audience on a more personal level. You can even announce these streams in advance to build anticipation. Live events. Stream special events like tutorials, product launches, or collaborations. This gives your audience a reason to tune in live, making them feel like they're part of something special. Social media integration, cross-promotion. Share your YouTube videos on other platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. And don't just post the link. Give them a reason to click. Share a compelling snippet or teaser that piques their interest. Direct messaging. Encourage followers to reach out with their ideas or feedback. It's another way to show that you're open to dialogue and value their input. Feedback collection, surveys. Use tools like Google Forms to gather detailed feedback on your content. Ask questions like, what type of content would you like to see more of? Or, how can we improve our channel? Focus groups. Invite a small group of loyal viewers to participate in in-depth discussions about your channel. This can provide valuable insights that you might not get from general comments or surveys. Action steps. First, set regular engagement times. Dedicate specific times each week to respond to comments and messages. This helps you stay consistent and responsive. Second, implement feedback. Show your audience that you value their input by incorporating their suggestions into your content. If someone suggests a video idea and you make it, give them a shout out in the video. It's a small gesture that goes a long way in building loyalty. That's it for today's episode of AI Tutorials. We've covered a lot of ground, from understanding your audience to defining your niche and engaging directly with your community. But we're just getting started. In the next part, we'll dive into more advanced strategies like optimizing your videos for SEO, staying on top of social media trends, and experimenting with different content formats. And remember, building a successful YouTube channel isn't just about luck or going viral. It's about knowing your audience, delivering value, and being consistent in your efforts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.